G'day, mate. The coronavirus is a real threat in our world today, and in order to boost our immune system, we have the perfect remedy just for you. It is called the hot foot bath. And what the hot foot bath does is it actually helps to prevent and to shorten coughs, flus, and colds, and helps to relieve congestion. If you want to have optimal health, follow these simple home remedies. Step 1. Drape a thick blanket over a chair. Step 2. Let the person sit down on the chair with his feet in a bucket or dishpan with hot water. Step 3. Wrap both the person and the bucket in a sheet and a large towel. Step 4. Wrap a hand towel around the person's neck to prevent any heat from escaping. Step 5. Let the person sit in this position for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add more hot water if needed. Make sure that he drinks water throughout the treatment. Step 6. When the person starts to sweat, put an ice-cold washcloth on his forehead. Step 7. When the time is up, take off the washcloth and hand towel. Step 8. Take off the sheet and blanket. Step 9. Pour ice water over his feet to end the treatment. Step 10. Place his feet on the warm bath mat. Rub his feet dry with the second large towel. Let him put socks on immediately to avoid getting chilly. Let him rest for 20 to 30 minutes. If the person continues to sweat, make him take a cold shower. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are able to put it into practice. And remember, stay healthy.